Good day to you. Stone here with another episode of Peace for Peace, a YouTube channel dedicated to achieving world peace. That's right, this world, Earth. Peace on Earth. An idea people occasionally talked about before 9/11 when I was 6 years old. It's been 22 long, hard years of still struggle. If we can provide basic human rights to people at no cost to them, we will jumpstart a positive feedback loop that will result in less crime, anxiety, and suffering for everyone. Basic human rights being food, water, shelter, power, transportation, waste management, and education. Please, just imagine a world with no debt, no hunger, and no fear of having a home to sleep at for each night. For everyone. If these basic needs are met, I am confident we can achieve a society in which having money or a job are not required for a person to just live and not be bothered by the involuntary requirements for a person to just exist on Earth. The best way I can help is to find new ways to efficiently build buildings. This will grow into building vertical farms for food, water desalination plants for unlimited clean drinking water from the ocean, transportation methods that are public and safe, nuclear power plants for unlimited clean energy. Shout out to my Oklahomie. He is working on a new type of nuclear power plant being built here in the United States, in which there's a 0% possibility for nuclear fallout. Really cool stuff, really cool work. Link in the description if you want to learn more about that. And shout out to him for being able to explain it to me in a way that I could understand. Okay, now that the recap of what this channel is about, we can move on to what's in the background over here and what I've been doing to help achieve world peace. I'm going to read the script here because there's a lot of specifics and I want to make sure I don't miss anything. Using 3D printing, I'm creating unique, reusable, modular, precast concrete forms. I'm using them to create bricks with embedded, predetermined, yet modular raceways for in-wall utilities. This will allow for building buildings without the requirement of installing cumbersome electrical and plumbing raceways or even ductwork for air conditioning. These three utilities are the most costly and time-consuming portions of work in all types of construction all across the world. It can be done at a larger scale, full walls, but I'm doing the bricks because that's manageable for the size of the 3D printer that I have. Now, Prototype 4 demonstrates the reusability of the base forms in an efficient system where the embedded portions of the raceways can be easily 3D printed and automated. It also allows for unique exterior and interior concrete finishes that can't be created with modern day formwork or even the future 3D printed concrete. If you ask me, they look like a messy stack of pancakes. This construction method, along with the modular sidewalk, should help transport energy and waste and power and water more efficiently, not only around cities, but within the walls of your house or your business building, any type. So, yeah, that's it. I'm working on prototype 5 already. I'm going to make it where, it has a male end and a female end, and create a bunch of bricks that can all click together and create a wall, hopefully. Episode 8 may or may not be about creating a more efficient voting system. I don't have the resources, but that one's more just brainstorming and just kind of a cool idea. I want to get it out there so you might be able to brainstorm as well, though. In a nutshell, it would be to make an app for voting. You would vote often, and we would essentially gut our government aside from the legislators. Potentially. We can talk about it. That's the point of this. So yeah, it seems impossible until it's done. The fight's unbeatable until you've won. So keep on fighting. Stay gold.